I'm making sweet potato veggies at home. So easy to make at home. I got two medium size of sweet potato and I peel them and then I wash them and I cut it in a small pieces. When I cut it in a small pieces, so whatever you like the size you can cut it, but I like the small pieces, so I cut it in a small pieces and then I add all the seasoning I like it. But if you like it as to your taste, you can enjoy your own spices. But I like Cajun seasoning, pink salt, black pepper, so I'm adding that. So I'm putting a little olive oil spray, just 2-3 spray on them. So I don't like too much oil on them, so that's why I use only 2-3 spray. So now I'm putting just 2-3 pinch of pink salt, 1-2 pinch of black pepper. So this is chaat masala. I love chaat masala on my spice and Cajun seasoning. So I'm putting Cajun seasoning also in it. So then I mix with my hands. So also I add lime juice on it. If you don't like it, you can use fresh lime juice, and if you don't like it, you don't use it. But I love that. That's also good for your metabolism. Also lime juice is good for your your cholesterol, so many stuff. And then I add an air fried foil paper and I spray 2-3 spray in it. They don't stuck your veggies in it. So now I'm adding all the veggies, sweet potato veggies. I put in half an hour in the plastic bag, then all the spices goes inside the sweet potato veggies. I did that. Now I'm adding in it and all of them I added, and at the end I spray once again olive oil, so that's all take moisture. It's really nicely. So now I'm putting 350 temperature and for 15 minutes. 350 temperature for 15 minutes will be ready. All this sweet potato veggies in air fryer. Now 15 minutes are done. So no, in halfway you can move around all these, just then flip them all the potato veggies, so will be good. Now I put 2 minutes more, and then now sweet potato veggie is ready. You can take out and put it in a plate and enjoy with your any sauce you like it, but I like garlic mayo, so I'm enjoying with that. Tell me how I made it, how you like it. Pray sallallahu alaihi wasallam. God will accept all your prayer, inshallah ta'ala. Anyone can pray, anyone wish is acceptable. Allah ji accept, inshallah ta'ala. Pray sallallahu alaihi wasallam and let me know how I made potato veggies. If you like my recipe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, follow me on TikTok. Up to you like it. If you like it, can you please give me thumbs up too? Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.